Let's speak about the Divine Variations Life Fulfillment System, which features our discourses, our workshops, courses, retreats, and one-on-one coaching. And so, here at Divine Variations, we use a garden as a metaphor for our life. And just like in order to have a rich, full harvest, you need to have fertile, healthy seeds. It's the same in our lives. In order for our life to be fulfilled, in order for us to walk in self-realization, we must start with fertile, healthy seeds. That is the information that we're taking in. And so in our life fulfillment system, the seed topics, we have 8 seed topics that lay the foundation for everything that we do. And those 8 topics are universal law, forgiveness, releasing trauma, divine purpose, motivation and inspiration, divine creativity, divine transformation, and divine self-realization. And so within all of those, you're going to see them infused and intertwined. In the discourses, we take one topic at a time and go in depth. And then in the workshops, we do 3 different topics. We have several different workshops, and then we intertwine different topics in order to see how they really intersect with each other. Then in the courses, we take 5 different topics, apply them to our lives, and look at how they're showing up and what we can do in order to live a more fulfilled life. In the retreats and the one-on-one coaching, we get to go in depth into all of the topics, see how they're showing up in our lives, and create some plans and some strategies in order to really reach those levels of self-realization and transformation that we are after. I look forward to engaging you, and go ahead, click on the button and register now. Thank you.